What's going on, everybody? All right, so I was up late last night trying to figure out these high pressure oil lines on the 2002 powerstroke diesel. I don't want to replace the line. The line's not leaking. It's the snap to connect fitting, STC or whatever. I can't find anywhere any like pertinent information on rebuilding the little piece. I don't have. I've tried to remove them before. I don't have anything that just like fits on. I'd probably have to make something. But it's leaking at that fitting, so it's not leaking at the hose. As far as I understand, the hose would just have a metal fitting. After reading review after review after review on Amazon of the aftermarket replacement lines popping and just all sorts of bad crap, decided mine seeps. It leaks. It's not spraying. It just slowly leaks. I would rather have it slowly leaking than have it pop off. So these are the nasty steel braided lines where I get like the damn thing cut my wrist up. Where is that right here? Yeah. I accidentally brushed into the damn thing. So we need to figure out something on that truck. I ordered some kind of kit on Amazon. It's like a master repair kit. It doesn't come with the lines. There's like a $69 one that comes with the kit and the lines. But it comes with, like, it looks like snap to connect fittings, but everybody says they don't fit. I'm like, well, it's $35. It'll be here tomorrow, so we're just going to go ahead and try it. So that's where I'm at on that. So let's go take a look at the truck real quick. All right, so we can tell we are still leaking for sure, but, you know, it's not a lot. So if I had to, or just leave it like that. Somebody was asking me to have a crack in my frame. I think they were talking about that spot right there. That's a factory weld. I don't know why they do that, but the other side should probably be the same. Let's go take a look. I do have a crack in my tire, though. Let's see. Oh, man. Yeah, you can see. As they just, I don't know, it's like some, I'm not sure how the hell they do that. It's strange. Anyway, you can see we're leaking. So we'll pop the hood on this thing. All right. Climb up here. So right down in here is where we're leaking. And it's just dripping down through here. And it's probably been leaking here. You know, it's just from overnight. For a long time. We get the fitting right here. And I don't know if the fitting is leaking on the top or the bottom. So what I'm gonna have to do is just sit here and carefully run it. But I spent a lot of time cleaning this. Oh, and by the way, I think this thing just failed, so I might actually have a pigtail problem. But so the one, if we were to replace it, we would need this 90 degree and this 90 degree here. And I don't want to change anything. I just want to fix that fitting. I don't want to try any other types of lines. The hydraulic lines that they seem to sell everybody, people show them popping off on Amazon. And I don't want to spend a couple $100 on these damn lines either. And the thing is that the line is not going to give me a new fitting. So, now think about it. If it's leaking at the fitting, a new line ain't solving your problem. So, I've got the part coming to remove that. I might be able to make one, but it came with O-rings and stuff. And as long as I can repair that I guess, what is it called? The STC, Snap to Connect, made by Eaton. I think they should have stuck to making electrical parts. Anyway, we'll see about that tomorrow when it gets here. But I'd rather have that leak and just leave it alone. I don't want to chance these Amazon lines. And plus, I don't want to change everything down here, because the way the Amazon lines, most of them work, they don't have these pre-bent elbows. Also, some people said that they cause a low oil pressure condition, but they don't have those pre-bent elbows. And so you have another AN fitting on another AN fitting, so it's just a problem. If you ask me, it's something waiting to fail. So I'm just looking to try and get this thing as reliable as possible. So I don't know if I'm going to sell it or what I'm going to do, but I've seen there was one recently that had a little bit less miles than this. It was a year older, and they marked it at $13,000 and it said sold. I've seen all kinds of ridiculous prices. And this one's not really like in the best shape in the world. It was used as a work truck most of its life, which is, you know, I'm not like particularly nice to trucks. It had the glass headlights and all that. It's a fleet truck. Somebody added those to it. Somebody hit something there. But it's got, inside the truck, it's got some rust. And then you have like stuff like this, and there's lots of dings on it. But I mean, other than that, it's not too bad. You know, I've got a gooseneck. I've got a B&W companion that fits right under there. I've never used it, but it's got all sorts of little stuff that's happened to it, you know. And the interior's not too bad. The seat's destroyed, like all of them, but I found these things and they don't want to stay. In fact, they're falling apart. But yeah, I got a bunch of junk in it. A jug of oil because it loses oil. Yeah. It is what it is.